Hello, my friends. Welcome back to MX English Podcast, the show that helps you learn English in a natural, clear, and powerful way. My name is Max, and today I'm going to share something really important with you. I'm going to show you exactly how to stop forgetting English vocabulary. Yes, you heard me right. Stop forgetting. We're going to practice together. You're going to repeat real sentences with me. And by the end of this episode, you'll have a simple system that actually works. So let's jump right in. Okay, first thing first. I want you to understand something. When you forget a word you just learned, it's not your fault. You're not doing anything wrong. The problem is simple. Your brain didn't make a strong connection with that word. Think of it like meeting someone at a party. If you just say hi once and walk away, you'll forget their face. But if you talk with them, share a story, laugh together, you'll remember them forever. Words are exactly the same. So today, I'm going to teach you how to make every new word your best friend. Here's the first technique, and this one is really important. When you find a new word, don't just look at the meaning and move on. Don't just add it to a vocabulary list and forget about it. That's a waste of time. What you need to do is simple. Put that word into sentences. Real sentences. Sentences that sound like something you would actually say. Let me give you an example. The word is charge. It means adding power to a phone or battery. Now, don't just say the word 10 times. Charge, charge, charge. That won't work. Instead, do this. Say with me, "My phone is dead. I need to charge it." Good. Now try this one. "I always charge my laptop at night." Excellent. One more. "Do you have a charger? My battery is low." Perfect. You see? Now you're using the word like a real English speaker. Let's do another one. The word is delay. It means something is late or postponed. Now repeat after me. "The flight has a 2-hour delay." Great. Now this one. "Sorry I'm late. There was a delay on the subway." Nice. And one more. "We can't delay this meeting any longer." Awesome. Every time you say a sentence, your brain builds a memory, not just of the word, but of the situation, the feeling, the context. That's real learning. Let me give you one more example. The word is borrow. To borrow means you take something for a little while and then give it back. Say this with me. "Can I borrow your umbrella?" Good. Now try. "I need to borrow some money until Friday." Great. And this one. "She borrowed my jacket and forgot to return it." Excellent work. Notice something. Each sentence tells a small story. Your brain loves stories. It remembers stories much better than single words. Now here's your first challenge. Every single day, pick just one new word. Only one. But create 3 different sentences with it. Say them out loud. Use them when you talk to people or write messages. The more you speak the word in real situations, the faster it becomes yours. Say it in the morning when you wake up. Say it again before you sleep. Touch it, speak it, own it. And listen, if you're serious about becoming fluent in English, hit that subscribe button right now. Because every week on MX English Podcast, I give you practical techniques like this that actually work. Don't just learn English, live it with us. Now, let me tell you something crucial. Speed matters. If you want a new word to stick in your memory, you need to use it fast. I mean within one day. Why? Because your brain is smart. If you learn a word but never use it, your brain thinks, okay, this isn't important. Delete it. So here's the golden rule. Use it or lose it. When you discover a new word today, speak it today. Write it down, text it to someone, record yourself saying it. Just use it before 24 hours pass. All right, here comes another powerful strategy. Make words personal. Connect them to your life, to moments you remember, to feelings you've had. When a word touches your heart or your memory, it stays there. Your brain doesn't let go. It's like this. Imagine you see a picture of some random person. You'll forget it tomorrow. But a picture of your best friend? You'll remember it for years. So let's make your vocabulary personal. The word is nervous. It means you feel worried or scared, usually before something big happens. Say this with me. I always get nervous before presentations. Now stop for a second. Think about a time when you felt nervous. Maybe before a test. Maybe before traveling alone. Maybe before asking someone out. Now say this. I was so nervous I couldn't sleep. That sentence is yours now. It's connected to your experience. One more. Don't be nervous. You'll do great. Can you feel it? That's how you remember. Another word, lonely. This means you feel sad because nobody is with you. Repeat after me. Moving to a new country made me feel lonely. Now personalize it. I feel lonely when all my friends are busy. Is that true for you? If yes, then the word is real for you. Now your brain doesn't just know the word, it understands it. Try this one. He sat alone in his room, feeling lonely. Words that carry emotion are impossible to forget. Connect every word to your story, your memory, your truth. Here's another technique I absolutely love. Visualization. That means creating pictures in your head. Don't just hear the word, see it. Imagine it happening. Why does this work? Because your brain is visual. You can remember a face from 10 years ago, but forget a name from 10 seconds ago. Pictures are powerful. So let's make every word into a little film inside your mind. The word is climb. To climb means to go up something. Now say this sentence with me. They want to climb Mount Everest someday. Now close your eyes for a moment. Picture a huge mountain. See yourself with climbing gear, ropes, boots. You're moving up slowly. Feel the cold air. Do you see it? Now say it again. The cat climbed up the tall tree. One more. We climbed the stairs because the elevator was broken. You're not just repeating a word, you're experiencing it. And that makes it unforgettable. So every time you learn something new, ask yourself these questions. What picture do I see with this word? Can I imagine it like a short video? Can I feel it in my body? You can even draw it on paper. Find an image online. Act it out with your hands. The more senses you involve, the deeper that word goes into your long-term memory. Okay, now I want to share something that will completely change how you learn vocabulary. Stop learning random words. Don't pick one word from a movie, another from a book, another from a song. That's like collecting puzzle pieces that don't fit together. Your brain gets confused. Instead, learn words in groups. Words about the same topic. Words that belong together. Why? Because your brain thinks in patterns and stories. When words are grouped, you remember them as a team. Let's try it. We're going to learn words about weather. First word, cloudy. The sky has many clouds. Say with me. It looks cloudy. I think it will rain soon. Pause. Second word, breeze. A soft, gentle wind. There's a cool breeze coming from the ocean. Pause. Third word, storm. Bad weather with heavy rain and strong wind. The weather forecast says a big storm is coming tonight. Now you've learned 3 words, and they're all connected. Now let's make a story. Imagine this. You wake up. You look outside. It's cloudy. You feel a cold breeze through the window. Then suddenly, a storm arrives. You hear thunder. You see lightning. Boom! Now those 3 words are linked in your brain like a chain. They support each other. So when you learn vocabulary, always ask, can I group this word with others? Can I build a small story? Can I create a scene in my mind? You can do this for any situation. At a restaurant, at the doctor's office, in your office, on vacation, at the gym. Words that live together, they stay together in your memory. Words that are isolated, alone, disappear. Words that are connected, grouped, last forever. All right, my friend, before we finish, let me tell you this. If you don't want to miss powerful lessons like this one, subscribe to MX English Podcast right now. Because I'm here every week helping you speak English with confidence and clarity. Join our community of learners who are taking their English to the next level. And that's it for today. You didn't just sit and listen. You participated. You repeated. You visualized. You made connections. Remember, learning English isn't about memorizing hundreds of words. It's about using them, connecting them, and making them part of your daily life. So keep practicing, keep speaking, keep building your English one word at a time. I'm Max, and this is MX English Podcast. Until next time, stay motivated, keep learning, and never stop believing in yourself. See you soon!